It makes it more SEO friendly, and it makes you more searchable if you have a YouTube channel. Okay. Guys, this is Nanye with the Mobile Life, and I know I'm the Mobile Life, but today I'm going to talk about the impact of YouTube and how it can play a major role in optimizing your business growth. Okay, please, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, share the video, and leave your comments. Okay, if you have any comments that you would like to leave, okay, and I will get to them as best as I can. Okay, so now going back to what I was talking about, if you are wherever you are in the world, you might have a small business and you might need help in terms of finding new customers, developing your brand, being more discoverable by customers. And I feel that the best way for you to expand your brand, even in your local area, is by having a YouTube channel. I know there's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and other ones, but because YouTube is owned by Google, it makes it more SEO friendly, and it makes you more searchable if you have a YouTube channel. Okay. I have different businesses. I'm an entrepreneur. I have a notary business. I have an LLC. I have a hair business, and my LLC is basically connected to my hair business, my notary business, because I'm an enterprise basically. So it's kind of inclusive, okay? Whatever income I make is basically applicable to my LLC. So, but going more into depth on what I'm talking about, why is YouTube right now so profound when it comes to expanding businesses and brands? Because it says that not only does YouTube have a profound effect on business growth, but if you see me looking here, I'm looking at my laptop, okay, the notes that I have here. It says that 92% of internet users watch YouTube videos. Okay, it says that 92% of internet users watch YouTube videos. Okay, it is a powerful tool to interact, educate, and build trust with your target audience. Okay, who is your target audience? Because a lot of times as business owners, we do not think enough about how we can foster a better communication or more likability, because people only buy things from people that they like. People only do business with people that they like. So how can we make ourselves more likable to target audiences and to new audiences? Okay. A lot of us, we have our customer base. Like for my hair business, I have the people that call me whenever their hair, they take their hair out, they want a new hair. They reach out to me to get braids, because obviously, as you can see my head too, I have braids. It's something that makes their life easier. You can still see your scalp and feel your scalp, and you don't have to worry about your hair. You can just basically get up and go. The only thing, like with me, that I do is my edges. Okay, so YouTube serves as a platform that allows you to be able to reach people all over the world, not only just in your local area. Okay, so if you have a local business, great, you can reach people in your local area. You can have people, depending on whatever it is, be able to reach out to you because they saw your brand, they saw your business, they saw your video. Okay, you can educate people. Okay, you can educate people about like for example with the hair business, how to better clean their scalp, how to keep their hair protected for the next style, how long they should keep the hair without, in order to not foster breakage, and things like that. So those are things that like for me, that is a entrepreneur as well, because this applies to me. And So you're teaching them, you're educating them, and as you're educating them, you're building trust. Okay, you're building trust. Okay, and then you're also placing yourself as an authority on that particular topic. Okay, so when you put your tags, like if I do a video talking about how to better maintain your hair, how to keep your scalp clean, how to foster stimulation in your scalp, maybe if you're having hair loss, keep your hair moisturized, to reduce itch, and then I put things like, in my tags, for SEO, hair maintenance, um, um, how to reduce dryness, things that people are looking for, okay, on the platform. And those are the SEO search terms, okay? So to draw people, tags and things like that, to draw people and target audiences that are people that are literally looking for those things that you're talking about. And then you can also monetize. Okay, so let's say you have a Shopify store, or you sell certain products on your website. You can tell them that, okay, you watch this video, I hope you've learned something. Go on the link in my description and click on the link, and maybe you have an Amazon Associates account that you're selling products there, or at least you're an affiliate there, or better yet, you have your own website that maybe you sell hair oils. You can say, go down to the link in my video and purchase this hair oil, to help to lubricate your scalp, whatever the case may be. Okay, so those are ways that you can tie in YouTube, okay, to not only help and educate your target audience, to monetize. Okay, so you're helping, but you're also making money. Okay, so YouTube has helped a lot of people. Okay, its impact has not only been evident in people's stories and overall growth, but there's so many statistics that are out there, that stories and things like that, that are out there, of people that have made it and made it big. Even like leaving their full-time jobs and making YouTube a full-time income, and their full-time gig. Okay, so I just wanted to just put this video out there. I wanted to, to kind of be a short video and just talk about how YouTube can really make an impact on your business growth if you are able to use it effectively. Okay, and we discussed about YouTube growth and its impact on small businesses. We discussed about how internet users use YouTube, and 92% of them come on YouTube one way or the, even if they're on TikTok or in other platforms, they still one way or the other, because YouTube is a known name. Okay, so they'll come in here to get educated about things. So that is really important, to leverage your skills. And more so, a lot of the people in their upper ages would rather go to YouTube than TikTok. Okay, so they would rather go to YouTube to get educated on like when we're talking about hair, how to get better hair care, how to clean their scalp, how to maintain their protective style longer, how long to keep their protective style. So those are questions that particular target audience would ask. And for YouTube, a lot of the you can reach more of that audience, especially if that is your target audience. You can definitely be able to reach more of those people asking those kind of questions. And like with TikTok, a lot of like the younger ages, not to say that people of the older ages, or people middle age and over, whatever, cannot go on TikTok and everything, but to get educated, about things, how-to videos, people go on YouTube. Okay, so you can definitely use and strategize how you can more effectively use YouTube and basically take that power of YouTube and be able to do better for your business, for yourself, and monetize. Make it something that you can make money out of. Okay, so I hope you've learned something in this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, leave your comments. If there's anything that you wanted to ask in relationship with what I've shared. And until next time, remain blessed. Peace.